video, I'm going to be unboxing again. I know I'm doing a lot of unboxings lately, but it's just because my boyfriend recently bought me this, what I'm going to be unboxing here now, and I really want to open it. I've had it like for literally about 2 weeks now, and I just haven't had the time to do it, so I'm going to do it today. And then I'm going to do another video where I'm going to be actually using the products because, well, I don't often have the time to make loads of videos, so I'm going to try and do a 2-in-1 day today. But before we get into the unboxing, kindly like, subscribe and comment down below what your thoughts are on this video, what videos I'd like to see coming next, or any other queries or questions you may have for me relating to pretty much anything. I don't mind answering them. Anyhow, without further ado, let's get into it. So this box is actually quite big, and as you can see it's from Revolution, and I haven't opened it yet. So yeah. Let's see what the crack is here. Wow, oh my god, it's actually really well wrapped up and it's all eco-friendly, which just goes into my composter. Oh my god, this is so cool. Oh, my heart. Oh, I love this. Okay, so the first thing that comes out is a Batman lip gloss. So that is it there. See? Oh, it's got this little emblem. Oh, that's so cute. Loving that. And it's kind of like a clear with some sparkles in it. Don't know if you can kind of see that, but it's kind of got some sparkles. Yeah, that's the first one. There's the next one. So it seems to be all rolled up. Batman mascara. Oh, this is the Batman collection. Ah! Right. So this is the Batman mascara in jet black. Oh my god, this is so cool. Oh my gosh. Oh wow. Okay. All right. All right. All right. All right. Oh my god. Right. So, right. Here we go. The Batman eyeshadow 9-pan. Oh my god, I love the packaging. It's all like embossed. And these are all vegan friendly as well. They're all PETA approved. How cool is that? And it's all like, you can feel all these. So nice. And I got the Joker one. And again, it's got the embossment. That's so cool. And this one is the Batman highlighter. I should really be opening these as I'm doing them, shouldn't I? Okay. So we'll open the Batman one. I don't want to mess up the packaging because I'm going to keep that. I'm so excited about this collection because I've been a Batman fan for the longest time, like since I was about 6, 7. So this is so cool. Okay. Oh wow. So that's what that looks like there. On the Batman colours. Let me take this thing off. Everything is taped down. I like how they're so secure. Are literally beautiful, and they are my colours to a T. That is so nice. And you get a little mirror up here at the top as well, so that's kind of cute. Gorgeous. That's the Batman one. And it comes with this little plastic sheet and it tells you what the colours are. I'll put that back in a second. And next one we have is the Joker. And again, the packaging is lovely. It's all embossed, as you can see. Oh, they're good colours. They're very bright. These are the Joker colours right here, which are very Joker-esque in my opinion, but I really like them. They're good. That's a good Joker palette. Okay, what's next? We have got Harley Quinn. That's her there. Her packaging is quite embossed as well, so that's quite nice. Not as much as the other two though. Okay, these are real pink and girly. That is the Harley Quinn colours. I thought they would be brighter, but I guess you've got the bright ones in the other one, so it doesn't really matter. But these ones here are very Harley Quinn-esque. So yeah, They're cute. Can't wait to try these. I love pink eyeshadow. Alright, let's see what else. Oh my gosh, I got these beauty blenders, which are in the Harlequin beauty blenders. Oh my god, they're so cute. This one here has a flat bit on it, the blue one, so it's for probably doing under your eye or doing your bacon or whatever. And this one is just the ordinary one. That is really cool. And they've all got a little bit of Harlequin design. Can you see that there? Just make it even more Harlequin-esque. How cool is that? Wow, this is so cool. This is the Joker box. What is in this? Oh, it's the brush set. How gorgeous is that? This is all embossed and it's like 10, so you can keep it. And all the brushes are just hanging in there. So nice. Gosh, they're very soft. See, this is the kind of wrapping they're coming in. So it's just like cardboard. Like, I can just put in a composter. Batman highlighter. Let's see what this is. So that's the highlighter there. And again, it's got all the embossing on it. It's so nice. Really like that. This one is more, I'd say, for fair skin tones because it's quite light. Let me just do a quick swatch. Yeah, it's like a pale gold. That's really nice though. So I got a Harlequin makeup bag, which I love these. They're always so handy to have. And it's got that little Harlequin thing on the zip. Very cute. And there's a Batman one. Oh, I like this one. This one's cool. How cool is that? And again, it has the Batman sign on it. And, oh, there's more in here. Oh, wow, look at this. A bat mirror. How cool is that? Oh, wow. Got a bat mirror. That is just epic. Oh my god, I can't wait to open that. Oh wow, there's two more. Right, this one's heavy. This one is Forever Flawless. This City Needs Me palette. Let's see, how do I open this? Oh, it's got these little flip tags either side. That's really handy. See them? So you're not wrecking packaging. Look. Wow, Revolution have really like gone all out on this collection. I don't normally buy their collections, but this is class. Wow, this is beautiful. Oh my god, look at these colours. And the size of the mirror. There is a huge mirror in this as well. Let's see if I can show you it. You get a really decent mirror in it. That's really nice, and the colours are just gorgeous. Right. Wow, there's a huge one. Oh my god, this is, oh my god. How cool. Look at this. How cool is that? Honestly, that is just like, oh, that's insane. Look how big this is. It's huge, just like a picture. But there's stuff in here. Okay. I'm actually blown away. This stuff is just amazing. I can't wait to try it. Right. Okay, is that everything out of the box? This box is really big and awkward. Yeah. So that is it there. See how big that is? Right, so let's see. Oh la la. Wow, okay. Oh wow, right. Welcome to the city. Thanks very much. So this is what's in it. It's huge. So you get your mirror that side. And all of these colours. You get 4, 8, 16 eyeshadows and 4 bronzers and 4 highlighters. but I reckon you could mix and match and use the bronzers as eyeshadows because they are just gorgeous colours. Oh my days, like this is like... I am so bloody happy with this collection, not even funny. Like when I get my makeup room, whenever I do get a makeup room, if I ever get a makeup room, no, I am getting a makeup room. I'm going to make it my mission to actually get a makeup room. And when I do, these are going up as well as being used. But oh my goodness, my boyfriend did good. He did good. He bought me all this stuff. And I am just like mind blown. I'm going to have to actually bring him right now because I don't think I thanked him enough because this stuff is bloody epicness, like absolutely epicness. And to have this gorgeous little card from Revolution. Oh, it's so nice. Anyhow, guys, I'm going to love yous and leave yous because I'm going to make a phone call and thank the person who bought me these. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Please subscribe. I'm getting there with my subscribers. And yeah, I'll talk to you on the next one. Bye. Mwah.